In the world of spycraft, why national interest trumps all? Also, what should you know about diplomatic passports? And finally, what is Article 361 in news due to Bengal governor accused of sexual harassment? Hello everyone, I am Manas Srivastav and I am here with the 3 must reads from the Indian Express today. आज की तारीख है May 3rd of May. और आज, before going ahead, before telling you about my picks, let us just ponder upon this fact that why are you reading the newspaper? And why are you watching newspaper analysis? Now see, if you think that एक particular newspaper से कोई भी fact उठा के there will be a question in an examination, you may be right but not completely. The purpose of the newspaper is to understand a particular issue, उसके different dimensions, okay, and mostly because they are written by experts in that particular area. Therefore, newspaper reading becomes very important, not to just extract the facts, but moreover, more to understand various dimensions, various aspects of that particular news. आज का जो मेरा पहला pick है, the first pick from the newspaper will, we'll try to explain this particular statement जिससे मैंने शुरुआत की है. And that first pick comes from the explained page. Now, if you go to the explained page, there is a explainer written by Shubhajit Roy. And the title is The Global Spy Game. It is an explainer on foreign policy and diplomacy or strategy. And general understanding के लिए आप international relations से related चीज़ों में इसको पढ़ सकते हैं. Now, look at the excerpt and you'll get to know what is this news about. So in 4 countries on 3 continents, India has been accused of running espionage operations and India has denied the allegations. It is a general principle that nations spy on one another, put national interest above all else. Now, of course, we are talking about the spy operations. We are talking about seeing that spy operation vis-a-vis or versus the national interest. All right, or along with the national interest. So this has been in news. This has been recently in news because, and the first paragraph tells us that on Tuesday, the Australian Broadcasting Corporation reported that Indian spies has been kicked out of Australia after being caught trying to steal secrets about sensitive defense projects and airport security, as well as classified information on Australia's trade relationship. Now, ऐसी न्यूज़ आपको US से भी मिली, पास्ट में UK से भी मिली, कनाडा से. So you see that these major 4 nations जहाँ पे आपको ये particular इस तरह की न्यूज़ मिलती आई है या मिली है. Of course, India का क्या response रहा है? India has denied all these allegations. There have been, qualitatively different ways in which it has denied the allegations, but it has denied. Now, यहाँ पे जो 2 major चीज़ हैं, एक तो है that these 4 countries are a part of 5 Eyes, okay, or what is known as the, for the intelligence, in the intelligence, this 5 Eye group has been formed. Informally, we can say that 5 Eyes refer to the group of intelligence of these countries. और इन 5 countries के नाम हैं Australia, Canada, New Zealand, UK and US. So you should know it, note it down from your factual point of view. So okay, questions in exam can come through this. But now you have to understand the issue a little properly. See, India has a strategic alliance or strategic ties with most of these countries. Now, अब यहाँ पे then there are allegations that India is sending spies. India is denying the allegations. But then the writer also brings in the historical angle and tries to explain, the spy missions or these overseas espionage operations, which are in interest of national interest. And he picks up the author of the explainer picks up history as an example, and he talks about Arthashastra. Now, he says that this is an interest of national interest. It is in favor of the national interest and security, and talks about this book. Okay, the British historian Christopher Andrew, author of The Secret World, A History of Intelligence 2018, noted that the Arthashastra was the first book anywhere in the world to call for the establishment of a professional intelligence service, and one that envisaged the world's first fully organized surveillance state. So, you don't need to read so many books. Sometimes good articles introduce you to some important points in good books also. और यहाँ पे ये किया जा रहा है. दूसरा देखिए आप विक्रम सूद, ही इज़ वन ऑफ द फेमस राइटर्स, इंडियाज़ फॉर्मर टॉप स्पाई विक्रम सूद, उन्होंने अपनी किताब में लिखा है कि इंटेलिजेंस इज दैट सीक्रेट एक्टिविटी कंडक्टेड एट द बिहेस्ट ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट दैट प्रोवाइड्स इट विद एडवांस नॉलेज टू टेक सूटेबल डिसीजंस रिलेटिंग टू द सिक्योरिटी ऑफ अ नेशन एंड नेशनल इंटरेस्ट. तो इन्होंने जो है वो इंटेलिजेंस इन द सीक्रेट activity, or he's defined intelligence as a secret activity which a country takes for its national interest, national security, national interest के perspective से. Now he goes on, and this next paragraph is also very important. He says, Sood writes, any nation wishing to protect its power beyond its border or that is facing external threats must be able to see beyond the obvious, foresee events and be prepared for them and prevent attacks on its territories or citizens. Such a nation must be equipped to avoid surprises by being able to anticipate them or else walk into situations blind or crippled or both. तो देखिए, जब आप ये टॉपिक पढ़ रहे हैं, आप इसको यूपीएससी में एक एथिक्स का भी टॉपिक है, वहाँ पे भी नेशनल इंटरेस्ट पे बात की जा सकती है, एंड ऑब्वियसली पॉलिटी से रिलेटेड, आईआर से रिलेटेड ये किया जा सकता है. Especially when you are able to quote, such authors, it will get you great marks. Now, एक लास्ट पैराग्राफ है और इंटेलिजेंस के ऑब्जेक्टिव्स की बात की गई है. आर इंटेलिजेंस ऑब्जेक्टिव्स विल रिमेन अनचेंज रिगार्डलेस ऑफ द लेवल ऑफ डिप्लोमेसी एंड द स्टेट ऑफ बायलैटरल पॉलिटिकल एंड इकोनॉमिक रिलेशन. द पास्ट टेंडेंसी to scale down intelligence activity when relations show signs of improvement is a dangerous mistake and must never be an option. ये बात तब कही जा रही है when we are saying कि आपकी जब किसी country से bilateral relation है, if you have a bilateral relation with say US or other countries, then should you scale down your intelligence activities or intelligence operations or the secret operations. उसके लिए कहा जा रहा है, उसके लिए writer ये लिखते हैं that that would be a mistake. Okay, so it tries to show that how this espionage or operations or secret services, secret missions are a part of your national interest for the national security per se. Okay, so this is the first take. So what I meant here is to read this article not from the perspective कि इसमें से fact उठा के directly आपके prelims में question पूछ लिया जाएगा. It's not necessary, but to understand various aspects of an issue. Similarly, when you come to the second explainer today, which is on the top of the explain page, which talks about this JDS, Janata Dal Secular MP, Prajwal Ravanna. And when you read this, it talks about diplomatic passport, and you should know what is a diplomatic passport, who issues it, to whom it is issued. So let us see the first paragraph, that after allegation of sexual abuse by Janata Dal Secular MP, Prajwal Ravanna came to light, the politician fled to Germany on a diplomatic passport. The Ministry of External Affairs on Thursday said that no visa note was issued to Ravanna, but to travel to Germany did not need one. Here is why. So वीज़ा नोट जो है वो नहीं इशू किया गया है और जर्मनी जाने के लिए उसकी कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है और उसका रीज़न एक्सप्लेन किया गया है. लेकिन सबसे पहले व्हाट इज़ अ डिप्लोमेटिक पासपोर्ट? अनलाइक नॉर्मल पासपोर्ट विच हैव डार्क ब्लू कवर्स and are valid for 10 years, diplomatic passport have maroon covers which are and are valid for 5 years or less. तो इसका टाइम पीरियड नोट करिएगा. होल्डर्स ऑफ सच पासपोर्ट्स आर एंटाइटल्ड टू सर्टेन प्रिविलेजेस एंड इम्यूनिटीज एज पर द इंटरनेशनल लॉ, इंक्लूडिंग इम्यूनिटी फ्रॉम अरेस्ट, डिटेंशन एंड सर्टेन लीगल प्रोसीडिंग्स इन द होस्ट कंट्री. तो ये इम्यूनिटी इनको मिल जाती है होस्ट कंट्री से. नाउ अब सवाल उठता है कि हु इशूज सच पासपोर्ट्स एंड टू whom इट इज इशूड. सबको इशू नहीं किया जा सकता है. ऑलराइट, सो यू सी दैट ये एक तरह से डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ पासपोर्ट है. सो MES Consular Passport and Visa Division issues diplomatic passport type D passport to people falling in broadly 5 categories: those with diplomatic status, government appointed individuals traveling abroad for official business, officers working under the branches A and B of the Indian Foreign Services, normally at the rank of Joint Secretary and above, and relatives and immediate families of officers employed in IFS and MEA. तो ये कुछ लोग हैं. इसके अलावा there are other people also who can be included. Lastly, diplomatic passports are also issued to select individuals who are authorized to undertake official travel on behalf of the government. This includes union ministers and MPs who often travel abroad representing the government. The validity of these passports is concurrent with the term of the MP. For instance, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi surrendered his diplomatic passport after he was disqualified as an MP last March. Now the question is, this MP of JDS, why did not he need a visa to travel Germany? This is because Germany is among the 34 countries with whom India has operational visa exemption agreement for holders of diplomatic passport. According to the reciprocal deal signed in 2011, holders of Indian diplomatic passport do not require a visa to visit Germany provided their stay does not exceed 90 days. तो इसमें बहुत सारी और भी countries हैं, there are different categories, उसको थोड़ा आप ध्यान में रखिएगा. And then the question is that who can revoke a diplomatic passport? There is a demand by Karnataka CM कि इसका revoke किया जाए इनका passport जो है. So in this case the government can revoke Prajwal's diplomatic passport only after the court order is there. Okay, if there is a court order which is in effect, only then. यहाँ पे Passport Act 1967 important हो जाता है. And therefore you must 2-3 things. What is a diplomatic passport? A little bit about Passport Act of 1967 becomes important. To whom it is issued, who issues it. Okay, so ये सारी चीज़ें आपको थोड़ी बहुत पता होनी चाहिए. Okay, because ये जो issue है इसमें आपके एग्जाम ओरिएंटेड जो अगर कोई क्वेश्चन बन सकता है तो इसी के आसपास से बन सकता है. सो एटलीस्ट द इशू शुड बी क्लियर टू यू. नाउ लेट्स कम टू द लास्ट मस्ट रीड ऑफ टुडे, एंड द लास्ट रीड इज from the front page, and it revolves around the news of Bengal governor accused of sexual harassment, and he says this is a false narrative. Now what is important for us is this article 361 which is in news. And what is the article 361? इसके बारे में आपको थोड़ी information होनी चाहिए. So the part which is written by Apurva Vishwanath, that becomes very important. It says that article 361 of the Constitution deals with immunity to the president and the governor, states that they, and I quote, shall not be answerable to any court for the exercise and performance of the powers and duties of his office or for any act done or purporting to be done by him in the exercise and information of those powers and duties. इसमें जो 2 clauses हैं जो हमारे यहाँ पे इस केस में बहुत important हो जाते हैं. So the first clause here is the sub clause 1, which says that no criminal proceedings whatsoever shall be initiated or continued against the president or the governor of a state in any court during the term of his office. And the second clause is no process of the arrest or imprisonment of the president or the governor or the state shall issue from any court during his term of office. ठीक है, तो ये 2 clauses आपको ठीक से समझ लेने हैं, पढ़ लेने हैं. यहाँ पे एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट केस है, द लैंडमार्क 2006 की रूलिंग विच इज़ रामेश्वर प्रसाद वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया. यू शुड जस्ट नो with what thing it is related to. This case is related to what? Okay, this can be something which you should know. Okay, so these are my 3 must-reads from the Indian Express today. Of course, this is a political season, election season. There will be a lot of news on politics and election. But usi mein se you would have to take out relevant news which you should know for your examination purpose. Okay, so that's all from me today. Please write to me at manas.srivastav@indianexpress.com. Please look into our different initiatives at indianexpress.com UPSC section, and you would definitely be benefited out of those. So think smart, work hard, conquer your goal. Let's meet again.